Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei for Nokia 105 2019 model, alias known as TA-1174. As usual, we have here one sample. As you can see, the Imei is damaged. So we are going to repair it to the original values. So let's power it off. You can see here the model. And we plan to restore the original Imei values, since changing to any different value is illegal. So let's reattach the battery in the back cover. So for this job, I'm going to use a FuriousGold box and OTZ flasher module from pack 6 of this box. So let's start by choosing the configuration. I'm going to choose here USB cable, since we are going to use an USB cable. And from here I'm going to choose our model, Nokia 105 TA-1174, 4 megabytes. So from the operations I'm going to choose remove SIM lock and press connect. And once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to insert the USB cable in the powered off phone. And if everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. At the dialog for the Imei repair, I'm going to choose yes. And on the dialog, I'm going to insert the values, which is on the back stickers, on the back sticker. So that's it, very fast process. Now it's time to power on the phone and check. So, as you can see, the Imei values were correctly repaired. So thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our product. Bye bye.